Welcome to Montpelier, Vermont, where vibrant downtown energy meets outdoor serenity. This exceptional Victorian home sits beside Summer Street Park, with direct access to the coveted trails of Hubbard Park, a rare combination of nature and convenience right outside your door. Lovingly restored and thoughtfully updated, this home blends classic architectural details with modern comforts across 3 beautifully finished floors. This home offers fine craftsmanship throughout: rich hardwood floors, pocket doors, deep moldings, coffered ceilings, and stained glass set a timeless tone. The kitchen is a chef's dream: cherry cabinetry, granite counters, and premium appliances, flowing seamlessly into the formal dining room adorned with custom stained glass. The gracious double living rooms offer versatile spaces to relax or entertain, with elegant period details throughout. Upstairs, you'll find 6 spacious bedrooms, a dedicated office, and a luxurious ensuite retreat, perfect for guests, working from home, or simply spreading out. A serene 3-season porch offers a quiet retreat to enjoy your morning coffee or an evening breeze. The newer concrete foundation offers peace of mind, while outside, the fenced yard is a private oasis, bursting with perennials, berry bushes, raised vegetable beds, and a stone patio with a hot tub. Just minutes from downtown Montpelier, the State House, schools, and cafes. Plus, enjoy direct access to the expansive trails of Hubbard Park, over 200 acres of forest, fields, and trails to explore year-round. Schedule your private showing today.